Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel. And it's funny how sometimes Microsoft is very slow at making changes. So, in its upcoming agreements for the use of its different services, Microsoft has a new user agreement that will come in effect in September that has finally dealt with two things that we don't have anymore. So, in the service agreements, one of them is Groove Music and Groove Music Pass, which has been deprecated and is gone for a long time now. Actually, when you type Groove and search in Windows 11, it sends you to Media Player. So, just tells you that it was time that that changed. And the other thing that it has changed is Cortana. So, it does say that Cortana as of 2024, Microsoft no longer supports Cortana services. So they've updated that to say that, Cortana isn't there anymore. So, okay, forget about it. But this is, interesting. It's like this user agreement. You would think that they would update it more often than that, especially when you have changes like that with Cortana gone and Groove. And there'll be more over time because there's a lot of things that Microsoft deprecates over time. So now the new user agreement, because they're still not there right now, it's still the old user agreement that is in effect until September the 30th. Then after that, it's the new user agreement that will come in effect. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.